Hi classmates! This is Chelley, your virtual classmate from EduRescue Student Club. Ang instructions ni teacher, sumali tayo sa kanyang Google Meet. So paano nga ba ulit tayo mapupunta sa Google Meet gamit ang link na binigay ni teacher sa ating Google Classroom? Madali lang yon. But first, you need to make sure that you are logged in your Google account. Now, let's go to Google Classroom. I-type mo lang ang URL na ito sa address bar, classroom.google.com. At mapupunta ka na sa dashboard ng Google Classroom. Then choose the subject or the name of the specific classroom given by your teacher. In this case, sa subject na Google Class ni teacher, dito mo kailangan mag-join ng meeting. Kaya ito ang i-click mo. Then just go to Stream page. At makikita mo na dito ang Meet link na binigay ni teacher. I-click mo lang ito and automatically mapupunta ka na sa inyong Google Meeting. That's all for today, classmates. This is Chelley for EduRescueTV. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and I will see you in the next class. Bye!